get the same amount of safety. Okay? You got 1/3 of it. Have a seat, please.
1/3 the price?
Yeah, sit down.
1/3 the safety.
Okay. You have to let go of that. There we are. Okay. So put the shoulder underneath there. Hold this out there for us. No shoulder. Get rid of that safety. Don't worry about anything yet. You're going to take your photo and do a feeling first.
So can I hold that like this?
No. But look up there and smile. Push your ankles up here for me, please. Oh, no, you can do it. Go on, swing them up. Yes. And the other one. Okay, so push against your legs, thrust your butt forward, arch your back, point your hands at the ground. Be like a banana. You can do it. Yeah, you gotta let go. Put your hands down. Yes, and thrust your butt forward more. That's better. Can you do it anymore? Oh, not that much! Oh yeah. Like it? Oh, it's right foot. Put your feet on up. There you go. Come on in. You get a good view of the ground, don't you? Yeah. You think you're going to crash into it?
No.
No? No, you knew better, eh?
Yeah, I was getting a lot of blood in my head, so do the fast one.
Good stuff.
Thanks.